So welcome back to another video. Yay, it's another fucking video. Boring ass video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing the eyebrow tutorial my way. Pero quería sobrino. Why are you crying, baby? No crying. So if you guys wanna know how I do my eyebrows, keep on watching and please subscribe, like, and comment. Open the door.
Hey, you want to make your face like this?
Look at my acne. So I'm gonna start with brushing my hairs down, and then I outline my eyebrow, and I do not touch the front of my eyebrow, as you can see. So when I'm done outlining my eyebrow, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows again so it could blend together, and then I'm gonna just fill in my eyebrow. So if you touch the front of your eyebrow, just go really light. So I just keep filling in my eyebrow, and I as well brush them out so it could be blended. So now I'm gonna clean my eyebrow, and I am using the Too Faced concealer Born This Way, but I do use the concealer brush from LA Girl. So now I'm gonna blend my concealer. So now I'm gonna clean the top of my eyebrow, and I am using the same products as I was using. So I'm gonna blend all my concealer together with my beauty blender, and I'm also gonna use a little bit of setting powder to set the concealer.
Hi.